What's up, guys? Welcome to Mikey Yourself. On today's video, we're going to be swapping out the tank dash decal here to a United States Air Force dash emblem. So we're going to walk through how to remove this, and then of course applying the new one is relatively easy, but let's cover the removal. Damn it! Alright, so this should be a pretty straightforward process. What we're going to do is I'm going to use a heat gun to just warm up, so I'm not going to get it too close, but I'm going to use it to warm up the adhesive on the back side of this, and then I'm going to use a plastic razor blade in order to get under it and kind of get at it to remove the decal from the tank. Once that's off, then we're going to want to clean it off. Depending on how much residue is left over, we'll probably get it with some Goo Gone or something like that, get it really nice cleaned up, hit it with some rubbing alcohol to make sure the surface is absolutely clean before we apply our new decal. So let me go ahead and get started. We're going to heat this thing up, and like I said, I'll peel it off. Okay, so I've got the decal off, and it left a lot of residue behind. It's almost like that kind of like foamy type residue or adhesive that they use. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use some Goo Gone to break that down and clean it up to get it all off of the tank. You see I put some blue tape here because I couldn't initially get the plastic blade underneath, so I used a really small flathead screwdriver just to pick up this edge here a little bit, and then I finished it off. But I wanted to protect my chrome, so I just used some painter's tape. I put like 4 layers to really help that out. So, keep that in mind if you're doing this to your bike. So I finally got the adhesive removed, and I'll tell you what, man, whoever picks out the stickers or the adhesive, if it's down to that level at Harley Davidson, that person deserves a raise, because that was probably the hardest sticker I've ever had to get off of anything. I mean, that was something else. And I'll tell you what, people at Goo Gone, Harley's got your number, because I worked the hell out of this thing with Goo Gone, and it was barely making a dent. It took a lot of elbow grease, and finally I switched to WD-40, which, if you don't know, you can use that for removing stickers and stuff as well. And that is what really actually helped me get this off, again, along with the little plastic scraping deal. So did that, cleaned it off, then wiped it down with some rubbing alcohol to make sure that there's no leftover residue, so it's nice and clean. So now we're just going to apply the new decal. All right, guys, so here's our finished product. It's a great looking decal. It's got that rubberized feel, so it feels just like the stock one did, and it looks great. So I think it's going to just be a matter of time to see how it withstands the elements and all that other kind of good stuff. It does tell you to check it 12 hours later just to make sure there's no adhesive issues, but with the prep that we did to the surface, we shouldn't have any at all. If we do, then I'm going to reach out to the manufacturer to let them know they need to be in contact with Harley Davidson and talk to their sticker guys, because apparently they know how to get it done, right? I do want to take a quick second just to thank all of the service members, family members, either past or present. I just want to say thank you for your service to the country, and I appreciate all you do. You are truly my brothers and sisters in arms. For those of you who haven't served, we appreciate your support. It goes further than you know. They say on average 17 to 22 veterans commit suicide every single day. And if you know a veteran or somebody serving today, we appreciate being looked out for. It's tough sometimes, and we're not always built to be able to share kind of the struggles we may be going through. And, we really do appreciate folks looking out for us. So thank you for your support. Army, Navy, Marines, Air Force, of course, Coast Guard, all y'all. Thank you very, very much for all you do. Much love for you. And for those who didn't make it home, that the ultimate sacrifice is something that we all are super grateful for. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that thumbs up. If you enjoy my content, become a subscriber. If you don't want to miss out on the next video, hit the notification bell. It'll let you know that, every Wednesday and Sunday morning at 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, the new video is out. And if you have any, comments, any questions or whatever, post them in the comments below. I'd be more than happy to interact with you. I really appreciate all of the input you provide. And so until the next video, I hope to see you in the win.